Okay. Today I'm going to be opening an airsoft gun based from Resident Evil 2, the Lightning Hawk, the iconic, beautiful Lightning Hawk. So far, nothing too special off the box, just standard brown box. Let's get into it.
Hey, where's the
There's the Desert Eagle. Awesome. Look at that. Guess we'll take this out of the bag first. Not too bad, not too bad. Looking good. And we'll take out the pistol. Look at that. Oh god, I'm so excited for this. Oh, a little surprise there too. Here we got a speed loader. Look at this. That is beautiful. Ooh. Manual. Sights. Selector switch. Flash hider. Oh, that's gonna be so nice in this. The pistol grip based off the Resident Evil Lightning Hawk. Here we got the, what do you call this? The pistol slide. Oh, isn't that beautiful? That is so nice. Which will be changing out the silver pistol slide for a black one. How do we take this apart? Remove the mag first.
So it's better to flip it over.
He said,
and
you push this down. We pull this down, and then it slides off. Oh. Oh. Well, it didn't happen the way he showed, but it happened. Yeah, so we're gonna figure out how to put this inner barrel into this part. When in doubt, watch YouTube. Problems are all our problems.
it should come out.
Let's try this.
Let's put its security screws on here. Actually, medium.
I got it.
Okay, so
Thank you, good sir, for the help. Well, here's the little pin that I was having so much trouble with. Set it right there. So, guessing this just slides out, and it does. Oh, it just needed to slide in at the right angle. Okay, and I'll just attach this flash hider. Okay, so as you can tell, it's a little, how should I say, not straight. Yeah, I guess we'll just leave it like that for now. So this side's a scratch side, so it should slide in this way. We'll just give that a couple taps. Right. I don't want to scratch this beautiful thing up. And we're gonna have to remove this from the slide, and then figure out how to change this out. If I'm not mistaken. Oh. So here's the thingy. Let's just organize this a little bit so it's not so messy. Right here for this, and we'll leave this right here for now.
by removing the safety lever, and you simply undo these flathead screws on either side.
One screw down, and I'll put this one right here. This little bit right here. Oh, there he goes. Now it pops out. Alright, here's this little thingy. Popped out. Okay, so I think what we have to do next is unscrew these. There are 4 screws on the bottom right there. So my plan was to sort of just get it in there and twist. Perfect. And that should be all 4 screws out and removed. Oh, and this just slid out. So I'm guessing we could just slide this one in as a replacement. And there it goes. Nice and slow. Yeah, let's just put this in first. We'll just reattach the screws. Seems to be going in nice and smooth. I think that's good. Okay, this thing's still springy. These sights are tight in there, and I mean tight. This slides in. Okay, and this should just catch on the bolt. Okay, nothing fell out. Perfect. Okay. What's next? Oh yes, these black selector switches. That's right. So this will give it a little more pizzazz, a little more color, flavor, whatever you want to say. Which one's the right side? Which one's the left side? Good question. That is a wonderful question. A matter of fact, let me tell you right now, I have zero clue, zero indication, nada. Actually, you know what? I just got a tremendous, amazing idea. Why don't I just look up a picture of the gun? Right there, the selector plate seems to be sitting. Okay, so if it's sitting like this on the other side, then it should be sitting like this on this side. Yeah. Okay. So, oh shoot. Guys, I forgot which selector plate, which for which side. Does it fit? Well, it fits. If it fits, then it should work, right? Right, guys. And we'll just screw it down. Okay. I don't know how tight to do it, so we'll just do it like there for now. Okay. One side down, one more to go. I missed. Oh, cupcakes with sprinkles. And I think that is good. Okay, selector switch works. Check. Barrel assembly thingy screwed on. Check. Actually, let's look up the picture one more time. I want to see which way this faces. The barrel's supposed to be facing upwards, like that. And as you can see from this angle, it is very far from facing upwards. I found electrical tape. Magnificent. Okay. So what I'm planning on doing, I'm doing this. And just getting a tiny bit. We don't want too much. Actually, a matter of fact, get some scissors. Cut it into like a ribbon. And then we'll just cut it in half. Okay, and then we'll just tighten it really tight around it. So let's just try to screw this on and see how this goes. So we just want to tighten it as much as it can go. It is very tight. It's not coming undone. And it is now in the correct direction. Now it is in the correct direction. Pistol grip. So there's a pin right here. I believe you just push it in. Okay, and it slid out. Perfect. I think I just pop it out. Here's the old grip. And here is the grip we'll be changing it out with. Pop this into here. And then we have to figure out how to push this pin down as we're sliding it in. I think that's in there. Well, it's not coming out, so we'll just assume it's in there. And this was attached to it like this. And then I believe this slid into here. Oh, guys. I did it! Look! Oh, that feels heavy. Holy. Heavy and beautiful. Look at that, guys. Isn't she a beaut? Now, the most satisfying part after everything is done and put together and assembled is the sticker removal. There's residue. Be gone. Well, that was kind of not very satisfying. It looks exactly like the model. The only key difference is that there's a few licensing things that are missing from the game, because Kendo Shop manufactures these, and I believe they put like a little marking on the top and I think on the side right here, which this does not have because it wasn't officially licensed by Resident Evil, but it is a pretty 1-to-1 scale. And of course the slide on the top was black in the game.